Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you're new to the channel. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We are at Busch Gardens 2024, but we're about to embark on the oldest roller coaster at the park. It is a Anton Schwarkopf 1980 bad boy, and we went on a similar one that they just put in Indiana Beach. It's called the All-American Triple Loop now, but it's bounced around all over the world. So these things have been around, but there's only 2 or 3 of them left. They can be a little rough, so it's our first ride for the day. Her head's feeling good, my stomach's feeling good, so we're gonna give it a go for the channel. Otherwise, we might have skipped this one, but who knows? We do like to get it for the punch that ticket. We've been on over 100 roller coasters, who knows anymore. But anyway, join us point of view for this one, and we'll see you on the ride. Hopefully it's not too rough. Here we go. Oh boy, this is when I get the old, oh, do I want to do this vibe, but maybe it's not as bad. The triple loop was, you got to check that video out. If you're watching this one though, definitely check that out so you can see what we're talking about. Por la seguridad de todas nuestras huéspedes. Optimistic now. All right. Optimism, everyone.
You're not riding? You're not riding?
So we're going upside down with no seat belts on a Schwarkopf with just a lap bar.
That's what I said.
That's the plan here?
Yeah.
Oh my lord. Will we make it, Becky?
Yo, stop. We're code orange.
We're code orange?
Ladies and gentlemen.
What is code orange? For the weather. You gotta be
Ladies and gentlemen, due to inclement weather, due to inclement weather, Scorpion will be temporarily closed. If you would like to wait in the line, you are more than welcome to. But due to inclement weather in the area, Scorpion will be closed.
We were too slow. What happened?
I'm going. That's not it. Do you guys want to wait back in line, or do you want to just?
I would like to wait.
Okay, I'm gonna let them out, and I'm gonna open the gate so you can go back to that way.
Perfect.
You guys are going back in. Y'all come back through this way. If you want to leave.
So we decided to wait, and now it's pouring rain. We were literally in the seat, locked in the train, ready to go, and we got kicked out. So we're gonna try to wait it out another 10 minutes. We've been waiting for like 20 minutes. Nothing else is open in the park except for the carousel and the bumper cars. So we're kind of stuck. Check back in. Okay, it was way past 20 minutes already, 4 o'clock, so we waited on that for like an hour. There is a little bit of break in the weather, so we're gonna try to bolt for we've got umbrellas in our backpacks. I think we're gonna get something to eat and then try to get back on this a little bit later. So hopefully if we get on it, I'll jump to it right here. Okay, so the sun came out just a little bit. We're back in line. We will see you when we get on the Scorpion. Hopefully we'll get on it.
Welcome to the Scorpion.
Okay.
Once you have been seated, please pull your lap bar down to your waist.
We're gonna do a loop here, Becky, with a lap bar.
Pull the lap bar down beside you. Also secure all loose articles, such as hats and glasses. During your ride, please keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the car at all times. Now sit back and enjoy your ride as you experience the sting of the Scorpion.
The sting of the Scorpion. Oh boy, at least it doesn't have the over shoulder restraints. So compared to the triple loop, this may be a little bit smoother. We'll see. At least we're not in the back. I'd be nervous in the last car on one of these things. We'll see. Got a very international crowd down here in Tampa.
Standing platform. Platform clear. Dispatch.
Platform is clear. Here we go. Oh lordy, we're in it. Oh man, I hope this lap bar's like on my stomach, so. We'll see. You got another click? Okay, we're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna see what happens. I'm a little bit nervous for this. It's the strangest rides that make me nervous. All right, here we go, Becky. Oh Hold on, everybody, hold on. We're going for the loop. Oh boy! Oh man, she's a roller. She's rolling. Hold on. Oh lordy. Picking up speed. Crazy. I feel like we went back in time to 1980 on a roller coaster is what I feel like, because what is this lap bar? It's like in your stomach, and there's a loop. Like, and it was loud, and I think we got a lot to say. So stick with us here and push forward.
Once the coaster has come to a complete stop and your lap bars have been released, please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left. We thank you for riding the Scorpion and hope that you'll enjoy.
All right, the sting of the Scorpion, they call it. And what did you think? Did you feel the sting?
I was left speechless after this ride. Going into it, I was definitely nervous with just like the lap bar, no over the head restraint for a loop. So that was kind of getting me going, but yeah, I had a lot of speed there at that end, but I guess I had a good ride on it.
Yeah, so the restraints, the last one we were on had 3 restraints, a seatbelt, a lap bar, and then over-shoulder accordions, which is crazy. This is way better than that triple loop ride because it doesn't have those big bulky over-the-shoulder restraints. But really, I enjoyed it. I thought it was a good ride. There's only 3 of these in the whole world as far as this style, and we've been on 2 of them. So we'll try to find out where that 3rd one is. Maybe we'll get it. It's probably in Germany or somewhere. Hard to say. We'll have to do some research on that and see if there's a 3rd one for a comparison. But all in all, I had a nice little ride on this.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid of it. There's always kind of a line, a little bit of a line, because it's just got the single train. So if you don't see a line for this ride, just jump right on it. It's actually pretty short. It's almost like an oversized fair ride or something like that. Like I feel like they could put like something like this at the state fairs and just kind of leave it all year or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
And anyway, but I had a great ride on it. Had a fun time. So thanks for joining us on this one. We'll try to cover all the roller coasters that we can here at Busch Gardens. We try to get them all, but usually every park there's one that we just can't do for whatever reason. But anyway, we have a lot of fun, and we're having a great trip. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.